Welcome coders. Today I have an exciting announcement regarding JavaScript, and that is Learn JavaScript in 100 days with 30 projects. Okay, and the exciting announcement is that you will get Node.js microservice TypeScript paid course free. I repeat, paid course free for the first 100 commenters and likers. So if you wanna take this course, you have to comment, or you can just drop your email address or anything else. Just comment and likes, so you will get paid course free. And lot of exciting announcement are waiting for you. And basically we are inspired by the W3 school JavaScript. We will cover everything here mentioned here, and we will discuss my own examples along with W3 skill examples. So it will be a definitely wonderful journey, and you are gonna get the paid course free. So stay tuned, stay connected. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned and get the exciting gift awaiting for you. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon.